Hey NailTubers, I have this stunning electric blue jelly gel polish by Valentino. This color is an eye catcher for sure. No one can ignore you with this on. Then this glitter polygel that I transferred into a jar, I can't remember the brand, but look at the sparkle in this. You have to do right by this color, so I'm using extra long full coverage stilettos. And my preference is to slim the sides in. See how it kind of bulges out? So I lightly file down the sides. And this is also when shaping the cuticle area can be done. I start with base coat and cure it for 30 seconds. How are you guys doing? I hope you're well. I love my NailTube family. You all are so awesome. And I want to thank all of you for always being so supportive. I always look for many of you in my comments. And we ain't wasting no time. Right in with this hot electric blue. And each coat is cured for 30 seconds because we got places to go and things to do, girl. I welcome everyone new to the channel. I post pretty consistently, and if I happen to miss a regular posting day, which is usually Tuesday and Thursday, with much more sometimes on other days too, but if I miss, it's actually because of fluctuation in my work schedule or technical issues. And I'm feeling this already the way it is. This blue. Speaking of loving it, I want to give a shout out to Renee, and I'm sorry if I don't pronounce it correctly, Mondragon. Look what she said. Yes, honey. Thank you so much for enjoying Undercover Nail Bling and sharing this with us. And this is the second coat, which is also cured for 30 seconds. This is so simple. You can do this in less than an hour. In fact, I think it took me around 40 minutes, if that. So it's almost like doing a press-on method. The nail is done to completion. And this is no wipe glossy top coat, and top coat is cured for 60 seconds. Once the nails are done, oh, and I wipe any residue left from the sticky tack so it doesn't interfere with adhesion. And this is a very quick prep for anyone learning because by now my nails have been getting a beat down from prepping for many videos. And the start of Undercover Nail Bling is laying base coat on the natural nails. Then it's cured for 30 seconds. And for the polygel, instead of slip solution, I use 70% alcohol. Then also base coat goes inside the nail enhancement to create a sticky layer, and that's cured for 30 seconds. Then I start in with the glitter polygel. You want to make sure it's laid evenly and there's coverage up the sides. Now, it doesn't take much polygel, otherwise it's going to ooze out when positioning the nail onto yours. and this is repeated on all the nails because they're all going to be the same. Then I cure this for 90 seconds, typically 60 from above, then I flip my hand and 30 from underneath. And it doesn't get any easier than this. A stunning color for the nails, and the Undercover Nail Bling is serving. When placing the nail, be sure to clean up around it and underneath if necessary before curing. Wait, hold on guys. Did I hear someone ask how long these last? Yes, I heard you. So you've seen this set in quite a few videos by now while I was doing the wear test. Oh, I actually forgot I had them on doing this blue set. This post was actually intended for Sunday because I wanted to stay close to the actual takeoff date, but this isn't too bad. I'm showing how they are after a 3-week wear, and in case you haven't picked up on it, I only do 3-week wear tests for a few reasons. By the 3 weeks, you should have some idea by way of noticeable give or lifting if they're going to last longer or should come off or maybe even be rebalanced. Now for someone like myself who has weak nails, it starts to become irritating, sometimes even painful, as I mentioned in the other wear test that I did, so this should be something to consider when it comes to your client as well. Another thing, which is more individual to me or other content creators, we have to be able to make more content for you. And there's a whole bunch of other reasons, but I was just sharing my first thoughts. So the first thing that you saw was the finish on the nails, and I can't remember what top coat. I'll check it and then I'll be sure to put it in here. But the top coat really held its own. The shine is still absolutely there. Now you will see a couple of scratches, but that's because that happened using the e-file while I was doing an acrylic set. So that's pretty inevitable sometimes. And as you saw, there was still a lot of hold and resistance, so these could actually wear longer than the 3 weeks. Maybe even with some rebalancing or fill-in, because there is a little grow out and I felt that they were starting to look a little janky. Oh, and I wanted to point out, especially when doing this with stiletto nails, turn your brush to the skinnier side to work the glitter polygel all the way down into the narrow tip. This isn't a chunky glitter, but when it is, I tend to file the side smooth too. Once you're done, you can either wipe the underside down with alcohol or undercoat it with top coat. And we're leaving these without embellishments because we are just letting this color speak for itself. And aren't they gorgeous? Do you like them? If you enjoyed this and would like to see more like it, you can click this link. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate you spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.